Welcome to Unify, the world's first system of action for growing revenue. Unify serves two key jobs: give you access to more than 25 signals and make it simple to act on them. Good outbound all starts with signals. Audiences let you create custom lists of companies or people. Here we build an audience of visitors to our pricing page that came from Perplexity, where I'm the account owner in Salesforce. Let's run a play together. Plays let you create custom workflows to take any action a human seller would. First, let's select the audience we just created as the trigger to the workflow. Next, let's add an AI agent to qualify companies by scraping their websites, asking if they're B2B, what their pricing model is, and whether there was a recent event that we can reference in our emails. Get full visibility into how AI agents research, think, and gather information so that outcomes aren't a black box. Then, we'll prospect for up to 3 sales, marketing, and growth leaders using our custom enrichment waterfall for emails and phone numbers. To finish, we'll enroll our prospects into Unify native sequences specific to their personas and create new records in Salesforce. Sequences can include both automated emails and manual steps like cold calls and LinkedIn Connect for sales reps to action on at scale. Unify is the next generation of sales engagement and is designed to help reps crush quota with smarter outreach. Reps can reply to emails within Unify supported by AI account research so that they can personalize messages at scale. Analyzing what plays are working is simple. Out-of-the-box dashboards make it easy to see in real time how much pipeline Unify has generated. We're excited to see the creativity you'll unlock with Unify.